Worried someone might secretly connect to your hotspot? There's a security option most user never thought. Today I will show you how to enable protected management frames on the Galaxy S25 Ultra to make your hotspot more secure. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon, tap Connection, tap Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, tap Mobile Hotspot, tap your network name, then go to Advanced, scroll down the screen, enable protected management frames, and then tap Save to apply. This adds extra protection against Wi-Fi attack and unauthorized access, but older devices may not connect after this enabled. And done. Now your hotspot is more secure with one simple switch. It's perfect if you often share hotspot in a public places. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.